Hello, defense aspirants. I am Swati Sheth, a two times recommended candidate to the JAG entry as well as the NCC special entry from Team Alpha Lead Academy. In this video, I will be sharing the details about the CDSTE 2026, that is the Combined Defense Services Technical Examination, the new gateway for engineering officers. Till date, all the engineering graduates had a direct entry for SSC. They didn't have to undergo any written exam. They just had to update their marks in percentage and they would be shortlisted for the Indian Army and the Indian Navy. But with effect from the next notification, all the engineering graduates will have to undergo the CDSTE examination. This is a very big change. It replaces the shortlisting through engineering marks for TGC and the SSC Tech entries. Now, the conducting body of this examination is the Union Public Service Commission, that is the UPSC, and the major goal of this examination is to ensure a fair, merit based national competition for engineering graduates. Now let's see all the entries that are covered under the CDSTE. First one is the technical graduate course. Now this is a permanent commission for men. Then comes the SSC Tech for both men and women, which is a short service commission for both genders. Now talking about the why the change. Basically this change was done by the Indian Army to stop the CGPA inflation from preventing deserving candidates with strong technical concepts from getting an SSB call. Also, with the adoption of AI, we require more people with proper technical knowledge to wear those uniforms. Coming to the eligibility criteria for the CDST, now the age will be 19 to 27 years and your educational qualification should be a BE or a BTech from a recognized university. And the best part is that the final year students are also eligible and minimum mark percentage should be generally around 60 percentage aggregate, and this is for both men and women, again depending on the specific entry. Now TGC is only for men and SSC Tech is for both men and women. Now, the Indian Army has also mentioned the syllabus and exam pattern for this exam. Now, this will be conducted in two stages. The stage one will be paper one, where you will have to undergo a general ability test, where the syllabus will be English, general knowledge, and your basic engineering mathematics. The format for this will be 100 questions for 100 marks, that is, each question carries 1 mark, and the time duration will be 2 hours. Now, the main focus of this paper will be to test your basic academic foundation and leadership awareness. The second paper will be based on your specialization in your engineering graduation. The paper contains civil, electrical, and mechanical sciences question paper, and again, the format for this will be 100 question, 100 marks, and 2 hours. Now, the objective of this paper is to evaluate your conceptual clarity and core technical expertise in your specific field. Marking scheme will be, it will follow the standard UPSC negative marking, that is 1/3 deduction for every wrong answer. So, all the engineering graduates who wish to wear that dream uniform, I hope this video was helpful and now you know how to start your preparation for your SSB. Thank you, all the best, and Jai Hind.